Imagine a small shop on old Beijing Street. On its shelves, hundreds of jars filled with dried roots, berries, and strange powders. The old shopkeeper smiles and whispers, "This cures everything, even what doctors are afraid to talk about." A myth? A legend? Or could these jars really hold something that helps in the fight against cancer? Long ago in the mountains of Yunnan lived elders who, they said, could stop the sickness in the blood. Their secret was simple. They picked herbs only during a certain phase of the moon at dawn, when the leaves still carried the scent of the night's cool air. Today, those same herbs are studied under microscopes in modern laboratories, and what scientists are finding is surprising. It looks like an ordinary roadside plant, but in its leaves is artemisinin, a molecule that, in experiments, switches off cancer cells, like turning off a light. Scientists couldn't believe their eyes when they saw this under the microscope. But everything changes when we step out of the lab and into the real life of a patient. A warm aroma, a bright golden color. Turmeric. In Indian markets, it's a spice. In Chinese pharmacies, it's a medicine. Curcumin, its active compound, can reduce inflammation and slow the growth of cancer cells in lab tests. But here's the problem. In the human body, it dissolves and disappears too quickly. Scientists are working on new forms, and maybe, just maybe, a breakthrough is waiting here. It's pulled from the earth like a treasure, dry, wrinkled, shaped like a tiny human figure. In legends, it grants long life. In reality, it helps the body recover after illness. It strengthens the body, but it doesn't strike directly at cancer. Still, as an ally in a bigger war, it's priceless. What heals can also harm. The wrong herb can cause bleeding, block the effect of medicine, or even make an illness worse. In China, they say, herbs are a sword with two edges. That's why the wise always consult a doctor before taking the first sip of any remedy. In a modern cancer center in Beijing, one room is for chemotherapy, and right next door, someone is brewing chrysanthemum tea.